हॅलो फ्रेंड्स, लास्ट व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण 10th स्टँडर्डच्या मॅथमॅटिक्स पार्ट सेकंडमधील सिमिलॅरिटी या चॅप्टरमध्ये द रेशिओ ऑफ एरियाज ऑफ टू ट्रायंगल्स हा कन्सेप्ट अभ्यासलेला होता. वन्स अगेन रिमेंबर धिस. सपोज A1 and A2 be the areas of that two triangles, B1 and H1 be the height of the first triangle and B2 and H2 be the height of the second triangle. Then we get the ratio of areas of two triangles is equal to the ratio of product of their bases and corresponding heights. Here the bases and heights are distinct one. Okay, then apply the first property. In the second property, we learned that the ratio of areas of two triangles with is equal to the ratio of their corresponding heights, in which both the triangles having the bases are common. Okay, and the third property, the ratio of areas of two triangles is equal to the ratio of their corresponding bases, that means the triangles with their same height. Okay, now we are going towards the fourth property, is that the triangles for triangles with common bases and equal heights. Okay, now construct the figure here. Name it triangle L M N and triangle M N K. Here triangle L M N and triangle K M N lies between the two parallel lines. That means here line LK is a parallel to line MN, and the vertices of the triangle LMN and triangle KMN lies on the parallel lines, and triangle LMN and triangle MNK lie between two parallel lines. Okay, therefore its height is a constant. Why both the triangles having height is a constant? Here that two triangles lies between the parallel lines, and we know the distance between the parallel lines is always constant. Here we construct a perpendicular. Look at here. That is the distance between the two parallel lines. We name it by AD, and the segment AD is the same height of that of both the triangles. Okay. Its height is a constant and it is segment AD. Both triangles having common base. Which is the common base here? Segment MN, correct? Segment MN. Then apply the first property. Here area of a triangle LMN upon area of a triangle MNK is equal to, okay, the ratio product of their bases and corresponding heights, Mn into AD upon MN into AD. That's MN gets cancelled, AD gets cancelled. Here we get area of a triangle LMN upon area of a triangle MNK is equal to 1. That is, we write here area of a triangle LMN is equal to area of a triangle MNK. That means for triangles with common bases and equal heights, then the ratios
areas are
equals.
equal.
That's the most important property. Property number 4. ओके, अतिशय महत्वाची 4 नंबरची प्रॉपर्टी, कारण याच्यावर मध्ये आपल्या प्रॅक्टिस सेट मध्ये एक एक्झाम्पल सुद्धा विचारलेलं आहे आणि ते एक्झाम्पल सोडत असताना याच पद्धतीने ते आपल्याला सोडवायचं. ओके, दॅट्स आर द 4 डिफरंट प्रॉपर्टीज related to the ratio of areas of two triangles. Understand it? Now we are going towards the practice set 1.1. Now we are going to solve the practice set 1.1 in which the example first here. In the figure, in a triangle ABE and a triangle ABD, in both the triangles, having the height AB is a common, because here given BE perpendicular on AB, also AD perpendicular on AB. That means AB is the same height of that two given triangles. Okay, therefore triangle ABE and triangle ABD with same height segment AB. Okay, both the triangles have same height. Therefore the ratio of areas of triangles with the same height is equal to ratio of their corresponding bases. इथं हाईट सेम असल्यामुळं त्यांचा रेशो त्यांच्या बेसच्या रेशो इतका येणार आहे. म्हणजेच कसं येईल, therefore we write here area of a triangle ABE upon area of a triangle ABD is equal to base of the first triangle is a B and base of the second triangle is a AD. Give as a reason triangles with same height. Triangles with same height. Now just substitute the values here. Is equal to B is given here. B is given here 6 and AD is given here 9. Therefore, we get the result area of a triangle ABE upon area of the triangle ABD is equal to 2 upon 3. Why 2 upon 3? 3 2s are 6 and 3 3s are 9. Then we get the solution. The ratio of that two triangles is equal to 2 by 3. Understand it? Most important example I. Okay. Now we are going towards the next example. In a figure, the triangle PQR having the two heights. Look at here. Triangle PQR having the two heights here. Look at here. First height is the PS. That means QR extends so as towards the S in such a that PS perpendicular on RQ. That means the PS is the first height and first base is the QR. Also, in a triangle PQR, QT perpendicular on PR, that means QT is the another height of that triangle and PR is the another base. What is to find? To find QT. Okay, now how to find it? We know the general formula. Which is the general formula? area of a triangle is equal to 1/2 into base into height. Okay, that's the formula. Now substitute the values here. Area of a triangle PQR is equal to is equal to 1/2. We take the first base RQ and the first height is a PS. Now just substitute the values here. Is equal to 1/2 into RQ is a 6 and PS is a 6. Okay, that is a fix. 2 3 are 6. Now we get the area of a triangle PQR is equal to 6 3 are 18 square units. Okay, that's the first one. We find the area of a triangle PQR. Why we find the area of triangle PQR? To find the QT. Okay, now again we apply the formula for area of a triangle PQR for the base PR and height QT. Just substitute the values here. Area of triangle PQR is equal to 18. From first 1/2 into PR. PR is given here 12. Now QT as it is 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12. That means here we write QT is equal to 18 upon 6. Okay, 6 1s are 6, 6 3s are 18. That means here we write QT is equal to 3 unit is our last answer. Understand? Both the examples are very important examples. In the first example, we apply the ratio of areas of two triangles with the equal height, and here we use the general formula to find the QT. Understand it? Now we are going towards the next example. The example, base of triangle is a 9 and its height is 5, and the base of the another triangle is 10 and height is 6. Find the ratio of areas of two triangles. Now write the notations. Let B1, H1 and A1 be base, height and area of first triangle. Okay. Let B2, H2 and A2 be base, height and area of a second triangle. Look at here, most important concept. Now what is given here? Given what is the base of the first triangle is 9. Its height h1 divided by 5. h1 is equal to 5. Base of the another triangle b2 is equal to 10 and height h2 is equal to 6. Look at here, both the bases and heights are different. Then we know, look at here, we know a ratio of areas of two triangles is equal to ratio of product of their bases and corresponding heights. Look at here. In that example, the bases and heights are different. That means here we denote all things by the notations. Okay. We know the relation, the property. The ratio of areas of two triangles is equal to the ratio of product of their bases and corresponding heights. Now we write here, that is, we write here a1 upon A2. What is to find? The ratio of areas of two triangles. That means A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 into H1 upon B2 into H2. Now just substitute the values here. Value of B1 is a 9 into 5, B2 is a 10 into H2 is a 6, is a fix. Now 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. Write one step, 9 upon 2 into 6. Once again, 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6. Therefore, we write here A1 upon A2 is equal to 3 upon 4. That is the ratio is to be find. A1 as to A2 is equal to 3 as to 4. Understand all things. Okay, समजलं उदाहरण हे सगळ्यांना? Now we stop here. We will meet in the next video. Be safe and take care.